Wow, what a nice present. Let's see what we have inside. This is the new Duo 5.x. So outside we have the label. So this is the label of the unit. In the label we can find the serial number of the unit, the part number, and the hardware and software version of the unit. If you look on the side of the box, we can see the instruction how to access to the web interface of the unit, and also by using this QR code we can download the installation manual of the Duo. This is what we have inside. This is a label that contains a super password for this specific unit. You can find it on every unit, and it's unique and it's based on the MAC address of the unit. So in case that you forget the password of the unit, you should use this super password in order to recover the password. This is the Duo unit. Okay, this is the side of the antenna. This is the back. On the back we see also the same label that contains the serial number, part number, hardware and software revision. This is the PoE in port for the Cat5 cable that comes from the PoE. And this is the LAN port for the SFP. We also have the cable gland. This is the cable gland for the PoE, for the Cat5 cable of the PoE. And this is the cable gland for the SFP. As we can see, we should open it, enter the cable and tighten it back. Let's take this out. And here we will find the mounting kit. Let's open the mounting kit. Okay, so this is the mounting kit. Here we have instruction how to install the mounting kit. So this is the Duo. As you can see, it is very easy to install. I hope you will enjoy it.